Okay, guys, hey. So we've been talking about ordinal numbers. Do you remember what ordinal numbers are? It's the order, right, that numbers go in, and we use the terminology or the words first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and so on. So your assignment today, since we've been practicing this together, and we did this together yesterday in my class. Remember, I showed you the sticky note. You read the word and you told me where to put it on the number line. Well, this is your chance to do this on your own. So what you have to do is you have to look at the number, and I don't have anything for 0, sorry. But if you look at the number, you're going to grab the word. You're going to try to find the word that goes with on the number line that matches the number. So for example, number 1, we have the word first. Okay, so what comes after first? What's the ordinal number for first? We could put it up here and we could say first, second, and then you're going to match the ordinal number or the word to the numeral or the number on the number line. So what is going with the number 3? The word third. So we're going to drag third right here, and there it is. So first, second, third. What comes after third? Fourth, right? So you would find the word and you would read it and you would drag it and you would match it to the number on the number line. So that is what you are doing today, okay? I want to see if you can do the rest by yourself.